Hello, beautiful souls, beautiful friends. Let me fix this angle. I am just honored to be here to serve however I can in the collective today. Hi, my name's Becky Lee. I'm just doing a live from my page instead of my personal profile. I am the creator of the Collective Spiritual Consciousness, so you've probably seen me in and out of the community. First off, I wanted to thank each and every one of you for being on this journey. If you are in this space and you're seeing this video at any time, it means you're in the right space. And I truly believe synchronicities guide us home, and there's no coincidence. Everything that shows up in our external is algorithm. It's like the algorithms that we program for everything, and how Facebook's programs its algorithm. Our energetic blueprints have algorithms. I wanted to talk today, sort of go into on what I spoke about yesterday about, we're growing our life and our reality with the seeds that we plant. And in turn, so let's say we have 60 to 90,000 thoughts a day going on in our mind. How many are we actually aware of? Look at yourself right now. How many thoughts are you aware of? And then out of those 60 to 90,000 thoughts that go on, how many are subconscious that you're unaware of? How much is negative dialogue going on? My purpose here is to teach people to shift their mindsets and shift themselves into a more abundant life. And when I say abundant, I don't mean just financial abundance. When I use the word abundant, it's abundance of all, and this is what I teach in every course or masterclass that I do, or even one-on-one sessions. Abundance is about everything, like abundance of fun and joy and love, and of course finance, like money. Everybody wants to tune into this abundant flow that the universe has for us. And so one of the main keys is picking the weeds in our minds. I have a great analogy. I love to speak in analogies. Those who work with me know this. I'm a huge analogy person. I like to draw mental pictures because it really sticks in our minds. So I just dug up my whole backyard because my grass, I killed it by accident last year. I bought the wrong weed killer, killed my lawn. I was like, oh my gosh. And I'm a huge avid gardener. I was like, man, how could I have done this? But then I thought about it. I'm like, hey, this is a chance to restart. It's no different than when your life takes a turn may not be the best for you. Or what you want out of life. This is a chance to rebuild. So we dug everything up, laid new loam down, and seeded. And seeding takes time. I'm like, I want to grow this from seed. Last weekend, we had to pull so many weeds. The weeds got so big. It's been so warm here, as it has been in most of Canada and the US. It's major heat wave here. The weeds were so tall, they were choking the grass. So we spent the whole day weeding, pulling weeds out of our yard. But once we pulled the weeds out, our grass grew so quickly in 2 days. So this is the same with your thoughts. Those weeds, think of those weeds, and they're not good or bad. There's nothing good or bad. They just are. They're those negative thoughts running behind the scenes. Pick them, pluck them as they come up. Know when they come up, and as you become more aware of the negative thoughts, say something goes on in your life and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. I hear my kids say this, and I'm like, you're not stupid, you're learning. We're so hard on ourselves. Or I can't believe I did that. Or, something in the past happened and you're holding guilt and shame and you're thinking about it and you're creating an internal feedback loop for more of that same energy to come in. This is your chance to pick those weeds. Your awareness is your superpower. Your awareness and your connection to your own mind, to yourself, is how you shift your reality. Everything going on outside you right now is a manifestation of thoughts from the past, emotions and feelings from the past. So begin to put yourself into the mindset of the person you're becoming, the person that you already are on a different energetic level, and begin to align to it. This is psychology 101. This is metaphysics 101. It all ties in together. For those of you who don't know me, I work in a science field. I am a very pragmatic person. I like to quantify what I teach. I don't just talk for the sake of talking. I quantify it. I work through my own life experience and the esoteric knowledge I've learned and the knowledge I've learned by tuning in and channeling. So when I speak on these things, I know from personal experience. So if you're in a space right now in your life where you're like, oh my gosh, I can't do this. Little shifts like, I'm doing it. I am doing it. I am this. Will change your day. Wake up in the morning telling yourself, I am a new and better version of myself every day. And your mind will begin to create the experiences that mirror that. Our minds don't know the difference between reality and fantasy. This is why people can live in fantasy lands. And you may know those people who walk through life and everything awesome happens to them, and you're like, oh my gosh, they're not even that nice of a person. But it's because they believe in themselves and they know this about themselves. And even when they don't, they convince themselves of it. So what's different than you and that person? Your mindset. And I'm not saying go out and be a poopy person. We want to be kind. We want to pair that with service to others, unconditional love and compassion. However, the universe wants you to succeed. God, spirit, universe, creator, whatever word you use to describe that entity, that energy that's out there, wants you to succeed. You have not been put on this planet to suffer. You've been put on this planet to learn resilience. Through your trials and tribulations, this is how you assist others, because you have this practical knowledge that now turns into this deep wisdom. And you are here to succeed. You are here to create a better earth for yourself, for those around you, for your children, whoever, your family, through your mindset. And I know you can do this. I know you can do this. We've just come out of a super powerful full moon. Yesterday, I know at about 6 o'clock, I got a massive headache. The energy shifted. I'm so highly attuned to the energies out there, and it took me years to realize that. And when we sit with the knowing that we can shift this, we will change our lives. Anyway, that's just my little cold notes today. I wanted to send out a bunch of love to anybody this touches. I wanted to share with you that you can do it. I love you. Have a great day. Bye.